Hi, I'm Bruce Stewart. I'm with Shoreline Orthopaedics. I'm a sports medicine specialist. What sports medicine is a subspecialty within orthopedics that has experience with treating athletes and the sort of injuries that happen to an athletic population. My specialty is arthroscopic surgery, things like ACL reconstruction, rotator cuff repairs, treatment of shoulder instability, hip arthroscopy, and other things that involve minimally invasive incisions and address injuries that are common in athletes. It doesn't mean you have to be an athlete or a high-level athlete to benefit from seeing a sports medicine specialist. I always look to try to do the least invasive thing that we can to get people feeling better. And so many times that involves physical therapy or rehab with an athletic trainer or a home exercise program. Sometimes it may be injections. Surgery is an option. If there are good opportunities to avoid doing surgery, then we should do that. But many times surgery is the best option. And if that's the case, then I have a lot of experience doing that. And we have the results to be able to get people back to doing what they want to do. Being able to help people is really a huge benefit to what I do. And it's really gratifying to see people be able to get back to doing the stuff that's important to them. There's nothing more satisfying, more gratifying to me than to be able to help people get back to the goals that they have and to be able to achieve those goals. So if you do have an injury and something that you think could benefit from expertise involving a sports medicine specialist, I'm happy to see you. I really enjoy meeting new people and being able to try to get people back to whatever it is that they want to do.